You guys love Spongebob Squarepants, and so do we.
So much so that we even have an awesome Krabby Patties recipe in our brand new Feast of Fiction cookbook. But today, we're making Grandma's cookies.
That's right. So let's get baking and see how we make these Grandma-y.
SpongeBob sure loves hanging out with his grandma, but we won't make fun of him for that. Grandma Squarepants is awesome, and not only because she makes the best cookies, she also teaches SpongeBob about growing up. But we've had plenty of grown-up lessons lately, and now we just want to eat a giant plate of Grandma's cookies. Our recipe has 2 secret ingredients, browned butter and pineapple juice. First, we're going to brown the butter. This is the secret to incredibly rich, nutty, decadent chocolate chip cookies. Add the butter to the pan over medium heat and begin moving the butter around as it melts. Stir it continuously to ensure the butter heats evenly. It will begin to foam around the edges, and after 5 to 8 minutes, the foam will subside and the solids at the bottom will toast. It's ready once it turns golden brown and smells like buttery, nutty goodness. Sift together the flour, baking soda, and salt. In a stand mixer fitted with a paddle, add the sugar and browned butter and mix until combined. Add the eggs one at a time, the vanilla, and pineapple juice. Add the flour mixture all at once and blend until a dough forms. Now we fold in the chocolate. Oh yeah, nothing like fresh cookie dough. Chill the dough for at least an hour. Then scoop out 2.5 tablespoon lumps of dough and place them on a parchment-covered baking sheet. Leave about 3 inches of space between them. Bake for 15 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or until the edges are golden brown. And voila! Thanks, Grandma. Your chocolate chip cookies are what I always look forward to. And you know what? If SpongeBob likes it, so do I. Enjoy. We can't wait to make more recipes from SpongeBob Squarepants. Thank you all so much for recommending this, and please let us know what we're missing from the SpongeBob universe for us to make next. Until then, eat up.
Who's that patron? It's Mitch Irwin.
Mitch Irwin.
Grandma's cookies.
Look at these. They
Wow.
are delicious looking. Now to see if they are delicious tasting.
The true testament.
Oh, you know it's good when you can't even dunk it into the thing. It's such a big cookie, right?
Why is that good?
Because it means the cookie is huge.
Listen.
I'm getting there. I gotta dip. Oh my gosh. The chocolate is still oozing out. That's what I'm talking about.
These are the perfect kind of cookies for milk.
Ugh. There's nothing better when you're able to split a cookie down the middle. The chocolate is still melting out the sides.
There are a billion types of chocolate chip cookies out there.
True.
Why I really love this recipe. The middle is chewy. The outsides are crispy. And
I
it
said crimpy.
goes crimpy. Oh!
Crispy.
Crispy.
Crusty crab.
Okay, yeah. The middle is chewy. The outside's crusty.
There you go.
And it goes perfect in milk because everyone knows when you dip it in milk and you take a bite, you want that crunch, but then the melting of the cookie in your mouth after it's dipped in the milk,
Yep.
right?
Uh-huh. Whoa. Look at that. I ate the whole dang cookie. It's that good.
Wow.
Great recipe, and we got a little SpongeBob flavor in there as well with that pineapple juice. You know what also has a bunch of great recipes in the Nash? None other than the Feast of Fiction Kitchen Cookbook, recently released by Ashley and myself. This is 8 years in the making. We have 55 unique recipes in here, as well as a SpongeBob recipe. Check it out. We made the Krabby Patties from SpongeBob. They are as delicious as the picture looks, and this book is filled with tons more recipes just like that.
We thank you guys so much. And as always, we're doing this for you. So we're so excited that this masterpiece is out to the world, and we really enjoy hearing what you guys think about it. So
Yeah.
thank you for that.
And as always, thanks to our patrons for being the backbone of our content, and they got the book for free if they've been a patron for long enough. So you can check that out at patreon.com/feastoffiction. Tons more recipes, as always, on the way. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see us make next on the show.
And we'll see you next time.
Peace.
Bye-bye.